the polyurethane front bumper. So this is the fiberglass. They look the exact same, it's just the fiberglass is gonna be a little stronger, you feel me? But yeah, I don't mind getting the polyurethane. Let me see if I can find it. Here we go. And like I said, they look the exact same. So yeah, I'm getting the SRT front bumper regardless. I'm not putting the front plate thing on it though, but I will be getting the front bumper, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, and like I said, they look the literally exact same, but this bumper just looks more aggressive, you feel me? I know I've been seeing videos with people with the fiberglass one, they say the fitment is bad with the fenders and the polyurethane one is better. I've been seeing it, so yeah, I'm leaning towards the polyurethane. That's probably why I'm just gonna get the polyurethane one, but I definitely want to get that front bumper first and then work on getting the front lip, then the side skirt, because the side skirt is like $70, front lip is like $60, and the rear diffuser is like $60. So I'm not stressed about them. But them headlights is $200, the tail lights is $200, fog lights only like $20. I'm not worried about that either. What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now we're not gonna be doing no work in this video, but I am gonna be telling y'all my plans with a revamp, a 2.0 version of my daily, this Dodge Charger that I got, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all did not know, this is my 2006 Dodge Charger. It's a V6 3.5 5-speed transmission. Yeah, when I bought this car, I basically had to build it up from the ground up because, you feel me, it was wrecked. So I had to get a lot of body work done. The car didn't have no wheels. So when I was going to buy the car, I had to take wheels with me to be able to put on the car. Transmission went out, I had to put a new transmission in here. I've done a lot with this car, you know what I'm saying? So I thought it was time, since I'm rebuilding my box Chevy, I'm rebuilding my Cutlass, why not go ahead and revamp and do a 2.0 version of my daily, my first car that I ever bought, my first car that I ever owned. Why not go ahead and redo it, you know what I'm saying? Or just change up a little bit of stuff. But the little bit of stuff is expensive, and it's gonna really change the whole look of the car, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'm basically just gonna be telling y'all my plans with everything I'm finna do. Now a lot of this stuff I'm not finna be able to order right now, because y'all know the box Chevy's finna get the motor swap, which is gonna cost me a couple $100, you feel me? Not cheap. And then my Cutlass is getting fabricated, it's gonna be a couple $1,000. So I really don't have the money to be throwing into this car right now, you feel me? This car is running and driving perfectly fine, nothing wrong with no body parts on this car. So I'm not really in a rush to redo this car, but I'm just wanted to give y'all a heads up of what I'm gonna do with this car and my plans, you know? So it's kind of not really a whole lot, you feel me? Interior wise, the only thing I want to do is find some SRT 8 seats, because I just love the way them seats look, you know what I'm saying? They just look bulky and strong and like a muscle car, you feel me? So I've been trying to find some, and yeah, I'm not paying no $2,000 for no seats, you feel me? I'll wait until I find me a wrecked one and go pull them out myself and do it like that, you know? So yeah, that is my plan though, to be able to find some SRT 8 seats and put in here, you feel me? And y'all know I told you I plan on motor swapping it, but that's gonna be a little bit later on. I want to do a scat motor, because I want to give me a actual Hellcat, a wide body Hellcat Charger. So I'm not finna put a Hellcat motor in here and have two of the same motors, you know? I'll throw a scat motor in here and then give me an actual Hellcat from the factory, you feel me, type stuff. So yeah, interior wise, the only thing I want to change up in here is my seats. Like I said, everything else is good, it's A1, it's ready to go. Maybe I'll upgrade my door speakers, you feel me, and my rear deck speakers, but you feel me, everything's working fine right now. So interior wise, only thing, like I said, I want to change is the seats. So yeah, it's, like I said, it's gonna be a little minute before I'm able to find some. I've been checking the junkyards, been checking pull apart sites. None of them had no SRT 8 seats. So yeah. And exterior wise, so sit y'all up real quick, because it's gonna be a little walkthrough. So exterior wise, I'm getting the SRT front bumper, even though my motor don't have SRT, you feel me? I'm not putting no SRT badges on this car, none. I ain't up badging, I'm just upgrading the front bumper, you feel me? Now I'm gonna show y'all my front bumper once I get out of the car and everything else, you feel me? But I'm changing my front bumper. Now, I've been looking at, they sell a fiberglass front bumper, and I've been seeing the reviews, and a lot of people say you got to do a whole lot of extra fiberglass work with that one. Or you can get the polyurethane bumper, which comes like folded up, and you got to let it sit in the sun to undo, you feel me, and for it to straighten out. So I'm leaning more so towards the polyurethane front bumper. So this is the fiberglass. They look the exact same, just the fiberglass is gonna be a little stronger, you feel me? But yeah, I don't mind getting the polyurethane. Let me see if I can find it. Here you go. And like I said, they look the exact same. So yeah, I'm getting the SRT front bumper regardless. I'm not putting the front plate thing on it though, but I will be getting the front bumper, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, they look the literally exact same, but this bumper just looks more aggressive, you feel me? It got the lower part right there, and then I'm gonna add fog lights, and I'm gonna put a front lip on there, you feel me? So that's the front bumper. I'm leaning towards, like I said, the polyurethane. These are the tail lights I want to go after, the LED tail lights. They look really good in my opinion, and I like them, you feel me? It's more so my opinion of what I like. So it's smoked out and LED, like I said. So them the tail lights I'm going with. And my rear bumper, I'm not changing my rear bumper because I already got the dual exhaust X's on my rear bumper. So the only thing I'm gonna add is just this diffuser. So I'm gonna add a rear diffuser on here. Let me see what else. Oh, exhaust. So my exhaust is, y'all know it got the dual headers, but when they come off the headers, it come into a connecting pipe to where it only has one exit. So what I'm gonna do is order a new exhaust, so I have dual X's in the back, you feel me? My exhaust be a little bit louder than what it is. My exhaust right now is sort of loud, you feel me? But this is a straight pipe, so I'm looking at getting that as well. And like I said, all this stuff is gonna have to wait. I'm not in no rush to get none of this stuff because this stuff is not cheap, you feel me? I'm basically redoing the entire body of this car, you feel me? So I'm getting these side skirts right here. A lot of this stuff I'm getting will be from eBay as well. So, and these headlights, they look so good to me. So I'm gonna show y'all when I get out the car. This, instead of having the two piece with the side markers as a separate piece, this headlight's one full piece. So I thought they looked so good, you feel me? Look at that, one piece. Instead of having the headlight there and then the side marker a separate piece, it's one full headlight piece. So I will be getting this headlight. Man, this headlight looks so good, bro, I'm telling y'all. So that is the headlight I will be getting. And then I gotta order fog lights because my car don't have fog lights right now. So I'm gonna be ordering these fog lights, and I'm gonna have to order some wiring as well for the fog lights. And here go the front lip that I'm talking about. I'm getting it come with them two poles, and it looks aggressive, you feel me? That's what I'm going for, even though my motor ain't upgraded or nothing, but that's what I want to go for, you feel me? I'm going for that look. So one of the first things I want to go ahead and do though is get that front bumper out of the way. So I'm trying to, you feel me? I'm trying to really watch how I spend my money, because I still gotta, like I said, box Chevy gotta get motor swap, Cutlass gotta get out the shop, so I can't spend too much and go too crazy right now, but everything will get ordered, you feel me, eventually. So that's how the 2.0 version gonna look, you feel me, with the front bumper, front lip, side skirt, new headlights, new tail lights. I already got a spoiler on this car, came stock with the spoiler, so I'm not gonna change that spoiler out. Even though I do like the wicker bill spoiler a little bit better, I'm gonna keep that spoiler. And I don't want to wide body this car, you feel me, because I already got rims on here. I do want to end up getting a new set of rims, but we're gonna rock out with them because just that body kit stuff, you feel me, that front bumper, the lip, the side skirt, the rear diffuser, trying to get the exhaust, headlight, tail lights, front lip, I think I said that, and I want to get the cold air intake, the housing part, you feel me, so it'll block off the heat shield, I should say. I want to get that as well. So all of that is gonna come out to about $2,000, probably a little bit more, about $2,500. So to some of y'all, it might not be a lot of money, but I got a lot of money tied up into getting that Cutlass out of the shop, like I said, and getting that motor swap with the box Chevy. So yeah, I'm trying to really watch how I'm spending this money, you feel me? So yeah, I'm gonna get out, do a little walk around the car, and then basically just show y'all everything that's gonna be getting upgraded, you feel me? So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together, and I will catch y'all once I get outside of the car. Alright y'all, outside of the car, and we're gonna start off with the front of the car because this is where the main big change is gonna come, you feel me? So yeah, Now, I had put that front license plate holder on there basically a year after I bought this car. I regret doing it now, but I mean, you feel me, I can't really do nothing about it now. So that's one reason why I want to change this front bumper, is because of them holes in there. And then when I bought this car, this front bumper was already broken and cracked, and I just never bought a new one because, you feel me, you could never really tell. But if y'all look there, y'all will see it. Now, I will be reusing this grill. I got this grill, like I said, about a year after I bought this car as well. When I was putting this on, I put this grill on like a few weeks before, and I got this grill for $20, bro. And you feel me, that was back when stuff was not going up too high in prices. You feel me? It was about what, 2018, 2019, somewhere around there. I got this car in 17, so yeah, about 2018, when prices wasn't that high, COVID haven't hit yet. So yeah, I'm gonna be reusing this grill and putting this on the SRT bumper that I'm gonna get. And like I told you, I don't have fog lights. This car didn't come with it, so I will be putting fog lights in here. And I'm gonna have to get the wiring and everything done. And y'all see my headlights are really cloudy, and I'd rather have a futuristic look, or, you feel me, a newer model style look with these headlights. And like I told y'all, they are 2 separate pieces. The new headlight I'm gonna get will be 1 full piece, and then I have the LED strip right here for my running lights. It's just gonna look a lot better and gonna look newer, you know. I'm gonna have to get a new badge because this badge is pretty much painted on and ruined. Now, whenever I get that bumper, I will have to paint it, but the paint that I used for this car was from AutoZone. It was that $45 big can of paint that was ready to go paint, you feel me, and it was red. And like I said, I didn't get a color coat, so yeah, all I gotta do is just spray it, you feel me, whenever I get that bumper. And the hood, I'm not gonna change my hood because I don't have no upgraded motor in here. Once I get an upgraded motor, then I will change the hood. But until then, we're gonna rock out with this stock hood because, like I said, man, it's a V6. I don't wanna put a hood scoop on here when the V6 don't even really need it that much, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm not gonna change the hood. I'm gonna leave the hood how it is. I'm not gonna change my fenders. I'm most likely gonna debash this car though, so I probably will take off them 3.5 high output badges. But yeah, front bumper wise, that's it. And then we're gonna get, like I said, that front lip, and it's gonna have them little poles going to it. So like I said, it look even more aggressive on the front end. So we're gonna reuse that grill. We're not gonna be using no license plate holder, and them headlights gonna go as well. So that's it on there. And then like I said, we're gonna do a side skirt here, which I think look really good, you know what I'm saying, to bring the side out even more. And I will be repainting all my black trim. So once we do all this upgrades and stuff, all this black trim, all this here, we're gonna sand this down, we're gonna mask everything off and repaint this black trim so it'll look basically new. And then I'm gonna have to find this one because I think somebody been messing with my car and somebody came and pulled this off. So yeah, I'm gonna have to find another one of them, you feel me, go to a scrap yard or something and pull one off and double side tape it, and then paint this trim as well, sun damaged. And then the rear, like I said, I already got a spoiler on my car, so I don't need to really try to get a spoiler, you feel me. But tail lights will be getting changed. These are starting to crack from sun damage and everything. Both of them, we'll be changing these. I mean, I could take this off and just get the wicker bill type spoiler, you feel me, that it like scoops up, you feel me. I could do that, but nah, I ain't gonna do it, you know. And I'm probably gonna change out this third brake light for an LED one, a smoked out one, or maybe I'll just go ahead and tint this one myself, practice tinting, you know. And I do need to get the tint redone on this car. As y'all can see, mine is bubbling. I need to get the entire car re-tinted from the rear windshield to my doors to, I want to add one on the windshield. Y'all know we got a brand new windshield put in here a couple months ago. I want to tint this windshield, you know what I'm saying? So yep. And like I said, man, y'all know I've already upgraded my rotors. Still got stock brakes on here, but like I said, it's a V6. Once we motor swap it, then we will upgrade to some Brembos. You feel what I'm saying? So, and then like I said, rear end, we're gonna add the rear diffuser back here. And then my exhaust, like I told you, I already got dual exits, but it's only one exhaust that's coming back. So I'm gonna change that out, and I'm gonna have the dual exhaust coming back. So yeah, man, just about everything on here, ain't no just about, everything that I plan on upgrading and everything I plan on doing with this car, I will be doing it myself, you know what I'm saying. I will be respraying, because I painted this car myself. Me and my dad, we painted this car, in literally the backyard of this house that the car's at right now. We painted this car ourselves, so I will be painting the front bumper myself. All I gotta do is go and get his air compressor and his paint gun, and I'm gonna spray it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna, we didn't spray can this car or nothing. This is real paint. It was already ready to go. I didn't have to add no 2-to-1 ratios or none of that, you know what I'm saying? And we didn't do a clear coat, which I still regret to this day. But this car is gonna get fully repainted anyways, and I'm gonna keep it red, you know what I'm saying? Since it's what color it is. We're gonna repaint this entire car later on, but yeah, we will be, like I said, man, upgrading this car, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about my daily and how y'all feel about the upgrades that's gonna happen, you know? I'm gonna keep my wheels because I actually like these wheels on this car. You feel me? So yeah. And then the underglow, y'all know we did underglow on here. I'm gonna be taking that underglow out, throwing it away, you feel me, and ordering a new underglow set from Amazon. You feel me? It's like $60-$70. Like I said, interior wise, you feel me, I do need to redo the headliner again and redo the stars again, and then the seats. Other than that, interior is pretty much done. So yeah, man, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about the upgrades I plan on doing, and everything is gonna come. It's gonna be like one at a time. I'm not gonna order everything in bulk. It's gonna be one at a time, getting one thing at a time. And I want to start off with this front bumper. I'm gonna keep doing, not even research, but just trying to find a site that I can get one from, because if I order the fiberglass one, it's $300 shipping plus the $200 for the thing, so it's $500 for the front bumper. If I do the pure polyurethane, then it's $300 for the bumper and $100 for shipping, which I don't understand why shipping is so much, because the box not gonna be that big, because they literally gonna roll it up in the box. You feel what I'm saying? So y'all see this mug is not fiberglass. It may be, honestly, I don't know, but it feel like the polyurethane plastic, so I don't know. Maybe it is fiberglass, but I know I've been seeing videos with people with the fiberglass one, and they say the fitment is bad with the fenders, and the polyurethane one is better. I've been seeing it, so yeah, I'm leaning towards the polyurethane. That's probably why I'm just gonna get the polyurethane one. But I definitely want to get that front bumper first, and then work on getting the front lip, then the side skirt, because the side skirt is like $70. Front lip is like $60, and the rear diffuser is like $60. So I'm not stressed about them. But them headlights is $200, the tail lights is $200. Fog lights only like $20. I'm not worried about that either. And then the exhaust is like $400. You feel me? And that's just for the exhaust pipes, the straight pipe to go back. So I still gotta get exhaust tips, and we're just gonna rock out like that. So yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about the upgrades I'm trying to do. Everything will come in due time. Y'all just gotta stay tuned for everything that's gonna happen, and I'll catch off with the outro. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about the upgrades I plan on doing with this car. I figured, why not rebuild this car again, since I've already rebuilt, well, since I rebuilt this car off camera before I started my YouTube channel, and I've been showing y'all the progress of my box Chevy, the progress of my Cutlass. Why not redo this car and show y'all the progress of this car and everything I plan on doing? So I don't know, I think it's gonna be dope, and I think it's gonna look really good, you feel me, when I'm done with everything. The front bumper, the rear diffuser, the exhaust running back, the car gonna sound a little bit better. I'm gonna put that new, I gotta get that new cold air intake with the heat shield. I gotta get that. Yeah, I just think the car's gonna look 1,000 times better with these, not even, they not small upgrades, but these huge upgrades I plan on doing. Like I said, I don't need to change my rear bumper because I already got the dual exhaust X's on that rear bumper. The car just didn't come with dual exhaust. So yeah, and y'all know I plan on motor swapping it later on. It's gonna be a couple grand, you feel me? Probably 4,000 for the motor, transmission, maybe a little bit more, 4,000 to 8,000 between there. So yeah, I can't do that right now. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. If I could, I would have been done it. So, but other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed. Like I said, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share the videos, keep growing and elevating together. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.